Now, if I have a few health problems, like some high blood pressure or some diabetes, then I become a substandard. So sub means below standard. If I am a substandard risk, that means that the insurance company is going to rate me up. Remember back on our conditional receipt, if they rate me up because I was a smoker, or we had Jane who smoked pipes, she is a substandard risk. She's going to get rated up, which means they are issuing her policy with an amendment. Another name for that amendment is counteroffer. They come back with a counteroffer, which means that the agent delivers the policy, which means that the agent has to have them sign a statement of good health, has to have her sign the amendment saying that she understands she's going to be paying more money, and then collect that extra money, and only then would coverage go into effect. Now, if you don't have any health problems at all and actually live a very healthy lifestyle, then you become a preferred risk to an insurance company. As a preferred risk, you'd actually pay a lower premium than a standard risk. Or you might have so many problems they could just decline you altogether. So those are your 4 categories of risk for your test. These next 2 policies are both really illegal. The first is called a stranger-originated life insurance policy, or a STOLI, and that is not vodka, people. A STOLI is where a person purchases a policy on somebody they don't know, a stranger, with the intent of selling it to a third party and profiting financially. Well, that doesn't sound very nice. Well, most states have outlawed this arrangement because it violates the concept of insurable interest. That person doesn't have insurable interest, they're just trying to make some money. Next is an investor-originated life insurance policy, or IOLI. Basically the same thing as a STOLI. You don't have to know the difference, but just know that it also violates the concept of insurable interest. So that's really all you need to know about these 2 policies, is they violate the concept of insurable interest. All right, we're on the home stretch here for this chapter. We're going to go into elements of a legal contract. We will use the acronym COAL, C-O-A-L.